In this video, I want to show you how to install zip plugins in QGIS from your local storage. For instance, I have these plugins which are zip file in my local storage. If I want to install any of these in QGIS, how do I do that? So to do that, launch your QGIS, then come to plugins. Click on plugins and click on manage and install plugins. It will open the plugins canvas. Then here, if you search for any plugins and you can't find it here, then go on the online repository and download it into your local storage. After downloading and you want to install it, come to this place, click on install from zip. When you click on it, it will bring this interface. So you will click on these three dots to navigate to the folder where you have the zip plugins. So in this case, I will navigate to my folder where I have the zip plugins. Here, QGIS plugins. So these are my plugins. For instance, if I want to install this SRTM downloader, I'll just click on it and click on open. Then I'll click on install. So it will give me a security warning. So that installing plugin from an untrusted source can harm your computer. So, but just click on yes to continue. So you can see plugin installed successfully. So if I come to all and search for SRTM, you can see it here. It has been installed. Let me close this. If I come back to this plugin and click on it, you can see SRTM downloader has been installed. So this is how to install zip plugin from your local storage in QGIS. Thank you for watching.